Hey guys, today I'll show you how you can reconcile a sales refund in Xero, so let's get started. Reconciling a sales refund is the process of matching the money flowing out of your bank account to the corresponding credit note or overpayment recorded in Xero. When the refund transaction appears on your bank feed, go to the Reconcile tab in your bank account, where Xero will not automatically suggest a match, so you need to manually initiate the process by clicking Find and Match on the bank transaction line. In the Find and Match search field, first find the original contact customer who received the refund, then Xero will list all outstanding transactions for that customer, including any unused credit notes or overpayments. Now, tick the checkbox next to the correct credit note or overpayment that corresponds to the refund amount. If the refund was for less than the credit amount, you will have the option to enter the specific amount being used. Once the amounts match exactly, the Reconcile button will turn green, and you click it to finalize the reconciliation, clearing the transaction from your bank feed and correctly adjusting the customer's balance. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe.